Hi and welcome to Table Talk with Amy
and Sophie.
And this week we have been schooled.
We have had over 150 children use the app. 2 schools, Archer Academy Secondary School and Westfields Primary School.
What have been your key takeaways, Sophie?
How natural voice tech and talking to an app is for the kids.
Exciting.
2 key quotes stood out massively to me. That talking out loud makes them feel important. And that it's just nice to have someone listen.
We also got some incredible feedback on our 17 avatars. And it was fantastic to see the kids be excited when they received the one that they were matched with. And a lot of them said they liked them because they were cool, cute.
We also had Madeline Inking come along, and what she saw and witnessed was how the avatars were almost bewitching them. They were emotionally connecting with them, which was exactly what we wanted.
Yeah. But we still need to toe that line between are they too bewitching?
Yes.
Because we want to stick with our responsible tech agenda.
We do indeed. And that was another thing that we did last night. We were invited to be part of a panel getting schooled by parents. What are the fears around social media? What are the fears around tech?
Yeah.
The challenges, because we don't know exactly what we should be doing. This is a new industrial revolution for all of us.
What really stood out for me was when it came to the Q&A section, how parents a lot of the time were voicing their fears and asking questions around that, whereas the teens that were in the audience were actually talking about how great tech is and how we need to change the frame of it being such a negative.
It really brought home to us, didn't it, the fact that our value to responsibly tech or not at all has to remain core to our beliefs.
Thank you
so much. Bye.